Hi, I'm Brian Mast, Director of Facilities here at Goshen, and I'm here with my good friend Glenn Gilbert, who has worked at Goshen for
35 years.
35 years, from IT to utilities manager to Director of Facilities. And he oversaw this bundle of wires we're looking at here are all the wires that connected to campus phones all over the whole campus. And Glenn was the guy who oversaw the installation of that whole system. So if you remember getting a phone call on your hall to the transition of getting a phone call in your room, that was Glenn's work. And now with this Westlawn project, we are now cutting the last wires of that system. So Glenn both commissioned the system and is now, with these snips, decommissioning the system. Glenn, chop away. One bundle. What are each of these about? What? 100 pair of wires. Two. Oh, that one's a big one. There's been lots of phones on that one.
Close.
And just like that, we are now completely wireless as a campus. Thanks so much, Glenn.
That was fun.